Okay, so this is the part 2 of my last video. What is gaslighting? Basically, a person will come into your life, he will love bomb you a lot. Like, तुम सोच भी नहीं पाओगे. He or she will keep love bombing you so much that you trust him or her like anything. Then one day when he will be like, हाँ ठीक है, मन भर गया, या जो भी हो, मेरा इससे जो भी लेना देना था वो पूरा हो गया. So one fine day he will come to you and put yourself in a situation जिस पे तुम उस पर भड़को या चिल्लाओ या ऐसा कुछ भी, something छोटा मोटा mistake or whatever you do, then he will put the blame on you and then you will think, हाँ ठीक है, चलो गलती तो सबसे हो जाती है, मेरे से भी होगी, इतनी बार उसको माफ़ तो कर ही दिया मैंने, उसका भी कितना. Okay, you will just go him and say sorry, whatever happened, let's forget it and all. But the problem here is he will not just accept whatever you're saying. He will just say कि गलती तुम्हारी है, you are the problem, you are the mistake, I have been so good to you and तुम मेरे साथ ऐसा वैसा कर रहे हो, जबकि रियल ऐसा कुछ है भी नहीं. And you will keep thinking कि मुझ में ऐसा क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि he or she is blaming everything on me, and तुम पूरी ज़िंदगी गिल्ट ट्रिप में रह जाओगे कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ. Basically the thing is that when he needed you, like suppose when you are hungry, you'll just have buy a Maggie packet or a chips packet, and when you just finish it, you'll just throw the wrapper, like you'll just dump it, and it's just gone, it's just kachra, it's garbage, and that garbage I'm mentioning is you. So this person have gaslighted you, blaming कि सब गलती तुम्हारी, पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. So ये लोग पहले लव बॉम्ब करेंगे, फिर तुम्हारे साथ गेम खेल के, फिर उसके बाद वो लोग तुमको तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये घुसा देंगे कि उनके अलावा other than him or her nobody is good, he or she is the right person, and you will be so used to him or her, you will be so used to them that you will feel like जो भी है जैसा भी है, like they are the one, and you will be used to them. मतलब आदत हो जाएगी और जाएगा उनका. इतना लव बॉम्ब यकीन ही नहीं होगा. And that's just an illusion, that's just a tactic in the beginning days, and then धीरे धीरे how it goes, and then the main game starts. There comes the main gaslight part where they will be like, now you realize what you have lost. तुमने मुझे खोया है, मैं कितना अच्छा था, मैं कितना important था, तूने मेरे साथ ये गलत किया, वो गलत किया, मैंने तेरे साथ इतना भला किया. So that's basically the gaslighting part. Yeah, and also if he or she tells you कि yeah, let's keep it a secret. See, I believe I understand it's very important to keep things private until you make it till the end. But it's not always like that. If he or she keeps telling you कि नहीं तुमको छुपा के रखना, he doesn't show anyone that he is with you or she is with you, then तो sure you should understand he or she is the red flag, the most toxic person. He's just with you for his purposes, you know what I mean. And yes, please बेवकूफ मत बनो यार. And yeah, how to know if someone is really into you is like, you will know that person is taking it slow. Okay, he really respects you, he really respects your boundaries, your limits. He won't force you for the things you don't want. Like for a relationship or anything, he will take it very slow, and most of all, very important is he or she will give you commitment. He will not give you trust issues. He will not love bomb you. He will take it very slow until and unless it's very clear what he wants in his partner, and like आगे का कुछ है, क्लियर है कि नहीं. So don't fall for this stupid love bombing game by this people who are narcissists and love gaslighting people and then use and throw them. So be careful. So don't chase this kind of people. Good people will come to you, and ultimately you will know, because they're going to take it slow and they're going to respect your boundaries. So yeah, that's it.